Do you know what NRX drugs are and why they are considered narcotics? The term NRX is an abbreviation that stands for newly researched and experimental, and it is used to categorize a class of drugs that are known for their potent and often intoxicating effects. These drugs are classified as narcotics due to their capacity to alter the state of consciousness and induce feelings of euphoria or stupor. Many of these medications fall under the H1 schedule, meaning they are subject to strict regulation and require careful handling during distribution. Doctors typically prescribe these drugs for a limited period to patients, but their usage often begins voluntarily due to the patient's dependency or the cheaper cost for a stronger high. So why are these drugs classified as narcotics? Narcotics are substances that produce stupor or sleep, and they are often used to relieve severe pain. The term narcotic comes from the Greek word narko, which means to make numb. In the world of pharmacology, narcotics refer to opioid drugs that include substances like heroin, morphine, and oxycodone. NRX drugs fall into this category because they have similar effects and can be potentially addictive. Pharmacists selling these drugs to patients must exercise due diligence. This includes verifying the prescription, checking the patient's name, doctor's name, full address, and mobile number. The date of the prescription is of utmost importance. If possible, dispense the entire quantity at once. If this is not possible, note down the amount dispensed and the remaining amount on the prescription. The patient's full address and mobile number should be on the bill. A supplied stamp should be affixed. Record all purchases and sales of these drugs. Never take back any medicine of this type once sold. NRX drugs should have separate storage and handling by the pharmacist. The record of narcotics can be demanded by FDA and also police, narcotics branch. So be aware. Some of the drugs that fall under this category include alprazolam, lorazepam, clonazepam, chlordiazepoxide, pentazocine, clobazam, diazepam, codeine phosphate, zolpidem, and many others. In summary, NRX drugs are a class of narcotics that are strictly regulated due to their potent and potentially addictive effects. They require careful handling and distribution, with pharmacists playing a critical role in ensuring these drugs are used responsibly. So the next time you come across the term NRX, remember the importance of these drugs and the responsibilities that come with them.